Hello everyone. Today we are changing helmet gears. These things here. See here, this one it's broken on this side here, but thanks to a buddy of mine, who took it for his test and put it in his truck's bed, and while he was driving it, it was rolling around, and this thing just broke off. And I got a call in the morning, and he was asking, your visor was broken, right? Yeah, I said, okay, never mind. Take it off for your test, and then I'll fix it for myself. And then I ordered these gears from Amazon, and they came in, and today, so I just thought, let's make a video. So let's get started. First, we take out the visor. It's you can halfway off already, but on this side here, what we have to do is just press on this lever. See this here, this thing here, and you press it, it's gonna, here you go, it's gonna pop right off. And I'm gonna put it on the side here. So now we have to take these things off. These are called Phillips screws. So I'm gonna need a screwdriver with this is called Phillips. This is called the Phillips head, and it's also called a cross head screwdriver. It takes the screws off of. Let's take it off of the good side first. There you go. This whole assembly is gonna come off, and this is the good one. You see this this little spring here, this one here, this thing, the top portion, it was broken on the other side here. Let's open the broken side here. There we go. So this is ordered from Amazon. Okay, this one's for this side here. Like this. And same for the other side. Okay, now we have to put the visor on, right? So in order to do that, just push this thing back, and it's gonna get stuck here. It won't come up. So what you do is take your visor. See, there's a little notch here. I don't know if you can see it. This little notch thingy. Make sure it's there. You go. And it's gonna slide. This lever is gonna slide back up. So same on the other side there. Okay, one more thing. When you put this thing on, you have to make sure that this pin, the small pin, it goes behind the, see, like this, or you won't be able to. Same on this side here. Make sure the small, this behind these ridges. These ridges are the one that lets you put it half open. That's what this pin is for. So make sure that the pin, there's a little latch that goes behind these ridges here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Take care, and have a nice day.